Hey there! Want to jazz up your Samsung phone with your favorite tune as a ringtone? You're in the right place. I'll guide you through setting a custom ringtone on your Samsung phone step by step. Let's dive in. First, open your Settings app. Next, scroll down a bit until you find Sounds and Vibration. Then tap on it. After that, tap on Ringtone. If you have multiple SIM cards, choose the SIM card you want to set the ringtone for. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the plus icon. You'll now see a list of songs available on your phone. Make sure the song you want to use as your ringtone is already downloaded on your phone. From the list, now pick your favorite song from the ringtone. Once you have chosen the song, then tap Done in the top right corner. You're all set. To double-check your new ringtone, make a phone call and listen to it in action. I hope this guide helps you personalize your phone. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Thanks for tuning in.